As a student, you should know one thing. Studying without a plan is one of the fastest ways to burn out and still not get results. If your definition of studying is just opening any one of your books, jumping between subjects, and rereading notes aimlessly, you'll just end up feeling overwhelmed and unproductive. That's why having a study timetable is so important. It's not just a cute chart filled with colorful pens and stickers. It's a strategy. A proper study timetable helps you manage your time, stay consistent, and make sure every subject gets the attention it needs before your exams. But here's the thing. Most people make their timetables wrong. They either overload themselves with too much in one day, or they make it so unrealistic that they stop following it after 2 days. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect study timetable that's simple, balanced, and actually works. Step 1. Figure out what you need to study. Before you even start designing your timetable, you need to know what exactly you're planning for. Gather all your subjects, topics, and materials. List out everything that will be covered in your exam or test. Be as specific as possible. For example, instead of just writing math, write algebra, geometry, statistics. This will help you see how big your workload actually is and how much time each topic deserves. Step 2. Find out how much time you have. How many weeks or days are left before your exams? Write that down clearly. Then decide how many hours per day you can realistically dedicate to studying. And be honest with yourself. If you can only study for 2 or 3 hours a day without losing focus, that's fine. A timetable only works when it matches your lifestyle, not when it's based on wishful thinking. Step 3. Identify your strong and weak subjects. Here's where the real strategy comes in. A lot of students waste time giving equal hours to every subject, even though some need more work than others. Instead, spend more time on your weaker subjects and less time on the ones you're confident in. For example, if you struggle with physics but find English easy, you might spend an hour a day on English and 2 on physics. Same goes with all your other subjects. Step 4. Choose your study blocks. Instead of making a timetable where you have to sit down to study for 5 hours straight, which is basically torture, break your time into blocks. The most effective method is the 50-10 rule. Put study time for 50 minutes, then put a 10-minute break. After 2 or 3 study blocks, add a longer break of 30 to 45 minutes. This keeps your brain sharp and prevents burnout. Step 5. Plan your week. Now that you know your subjects, available time, and study blocks, it's time to create your actual timetable. Start by dividing your week into days and assigning subjects to each one. Make sure every subject appears at least twice in a week. This helps with memory retention. Also, alternate between hard and light subjects each day. For example, if you study chemistry as the first subject, you can balance it out with something lighter like English or art as the second subject. Step 6. Add variety and flexibility. Your timetable shouldn't look the same every day. If you study the same subjects at the same time daily, you'll get bored fast. Switch things up. Like you could put math as the first subject on Monday and as the last subject on Thursday. And always keep one day free each week for catch-up or revision. That way, if you have extra chores one day of the week or forget to study one day, you have one day to catch up. Step 7. Include rest and self-care. You aren't a robot. If you create a study timetable that's all work and no rest, you're practically begging for burnout. So make sure to schedule time to eat, relax, and sleep. You should have at least 1 hour every day where you do something that isn't school-related. Step 8. Stick to it. But don't be too hard on yourself. Once your timetable is ready, commit to following it. Set reminders or alarms if you have to. But if you miss a session or two, don't give up entirely. Adjust, rearrange, and move forward. There might be some days where you really don't feel like studying a particular subject. In that case, pick a different subject and study that instead. Now for a bonus tip. Color code your timetable. Use different colors for each subject, different colors for breaks, revision time, and rest periods. Not only does it make your timetable look more fun, but it also helps you quickly see what your day looks like at a glance. Okay, now, enough talk. Grab your notebook and pen and create your own timetable right now. Your grades will thank you.